Alright, so if you watched the previous movie where I showed you how to edit the materials on this car, I finished the other side of it, so now we've got a material applied to the whole vehicle. In this case, I don't want it to have the wood grain on it. So I'm going to go back to the layer manager, and for that layer, I'm going to set the material back to the global setting, which is no material. And in this case, we're just going to use blue, so it's a blue vehicle. Now, if we, I'm going to turn up perspective and just show you how you can position this. And so because it's not a unified model, you can't use the 3D positioner. And so a way to work around that is draw a window around your object, go to the edit menu and just group it. So then what that'll do is this whole entity now can be selected as one, and this is where now if you're done editing your 3D model, turn off the selection cycling command. And this is an advanced feature, so go set it back to -3, and then what that'll do, you'll be back to the default mode here where you just get the sketch grips and you can just position this model where you need it in your drawing. So here I did group the dimension here with this model. If you need to make a copy of it, you can do that. So just use the copy command, pick an insertion point, pick where you want the second copy to be. And now if we rotate this, you'll see now we've got two blue cars in our scene. And I wasn't careful when I made this model here. Like if I wanted to remove that line at the bottom, I could ungroup it and then select your line, delete it, regroup it. Here, I'll go back to here. So I'm going to go back to the top just to make sure I select everything. So you can have whatever you want in the group. So here, let's insert an intersection here quickly. So let's rotate this. And just move it to here. So you can see you can position these however you need now in your drawing. Maybe you've got some here, turn your ortho mode off. Perhaps you've got some evidence that you need to match that up to, so you can do that easily. And there's your OBJ models that have been positioned in